Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana, and today, because it's Friday, I thought I will show you one dessert, and what better than apricot pie. I will start with the filling, for which I'm gonna need 1 kilogram of apricots that I washed and I removed the pits, 50 grams of sugar. The amount of sugar depends on how ripe the fruits are and how sweet they are, but in principle 50 grams is more than enough. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or flour, and let's not forget about almond extract. First, mix together sugar and cornstarch in a bowl and add all these dry ingredients over apricots, over the fruits, and mix them up, and also add 1 tablespoon of almond extract. For the crust, 320 grams of flour, 50 grams of sugar again, 200 grams of cold butter that I kept in the fridge, 3 egg yolks, a pinch of salt, 3 or 4 tablespoons of vodka, and if you don't want to use vodka, even if the alcohol will evaporate, you can use cold water. Again, we're mixing dry ingredients, sugar and flour, and a pinch of salt to bring out the sweetness of this dessert. Mix them all together and prepare them for the rest of the ingredients. So I'm gonna cut now the butter in smaller cubes and place it over the flour, and with a scraper I'm gonna cut the butter in smaller pieces and at the same time mix it with the dry ingredients. We want the butter as small as we can. This is why I try not to knead the dough. I added the egg yolks, and now to bind the dough, that vodka 1 tablespoon at a time. Knead a bit the dough with your hands. Try not to overwork it. Just squeeze it until the dough comes in one piece. You can place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to cool down, and after you can stretch it out on your table, flour it with a bit of flour and stretch it with a rolling pin. Place it in your pie dish, adjust the shape and cut the excess dough, and we're gonna use that to decorate the pie. Pinch the dough from the dish with a fork. This way the dough will not rise in the oven, so it will keep the shape. You can place it again in the fridge if you want for about 30 minutes, but in principle you can add your fruits in there. And I stretch again the excess dough. I will cut it in thin strips and use this to decorate the pie. So I put the fruits in. Try to arrange them nice in your dish, and decorate the pie as best as you can. I cut out from the excess dough with a cap from a bottle circles to make this pie as nicer as I can. In the meantime, I preheat the oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit because I'm gonna bake this dessert in the oven, in the preheated oven. So after decorating the pie, I will mix 1 egg because I need to give this an egg wash, with 1 tablespoon of milk, and brush the dough from the top of the pie, and sprinkle some brown sugar and bake it for about 30 minutes or until you see that has a nice golden color on top. You can serve it now with a cup of ice cream, and of course with lots of family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also ring the bell to receive notification when I'm uploading a new recipe. And also don't forget to find reasons to smile, and I will see you here next time with another recipe. Bye bye.